A ferocious earthquake tore through Myanmar and Thailand in March 2025. Its 7.7 Richter roar shattering lives and landscapes. From Mandalay's chaos to Bangkok's trembling heart, this seismic beast left a trail of ruin. Here's the raw story of nature's wrath and the fight to rise from the ashes. Min's in Yangon, yet she's still linked up with the team in Mandalay's bustling core. Holy hell, it slammed us hard this Friday. While travelers ditch their itineraries in droves, I can pinpoint where the Earth's fury erupted. The shocks hit like a freight train, hundreds swearing the ground buckled beneath them.
Additional quakes may follow.
Crisis rehearsals and readiness plans are kicking into high gear across fragile regions. As they wrestle with the fallout, with dread that the death count might soar, rescue squads are racing to find those still unaccounted for.
With fears that the toll may rise, search and rescue efforts are underway to locate those still missing.
The Temblor shook towers across sprawling swaths of Southeast Asia. At least 20 souls in Myanmar have vanished in the wake of this catastrophe. Government hubs and roadways got pummeled, with cops and city brass fanning out to keep order. Officials cried, "What's going down, oh Lord?" The jolts also hammered vital lifelines, bridges, highways, and key transit paths, cutting them off in both countries.
Power outages have left thousands without electricity.
After a half-built skyscraper came crashing down. The U.S. Geological Survey pinned the quake's heart 16 kilometers northwest of the city, near sea, plunging 10 kilometers deep. She stammered, "Yeah, nah?" Huh? What? Say what? Ruin ripped through chunks of the nation. You braced for this? Oh, my kinfolk. Chill out. What in tarnation is this? Check it out. They're tethered by sky-high walkways and it's downright spine-chilling. Nowhere more than in Bangkok's heart. Hey there. Schools and civic halls in Myanmar and Thailand have morphed into makeshift refuges, relief crews dishing out food, water, and healing to uprooted locals.
Shelters for displaced residents.
Crowds dashed from homes and high-rises, spooked by the threat of collapse. Today is March 28, 2025. This havoc shook her too. She gets it. It's mind-blowing. Yup. A 7.7 Richter beast roared near Mandalay, rattling every last nerve. They summoned a frantic huddle to size up the wreckage, slapping an emergency tag on the city. Bangkok's turf, cradling over 17 million, got orders to clear out. Nope, nope, nope. Over in Bangkok, Thailand, the powers that be kicked off a hunt for 10 lost souls. Frenzy tore through the urban sprawl.
Impacted Naypyidaw,
in Myanmar's beating capital, brutal shakes unleashed pandemonium. Eyewitnesses spilling tales of walls caving in. Folks fled as edifices teetered on the brink. Rapid response teams swarmed to gauge the toll and patch up the wounded.
To assess the damage and aid the injured, and ceilings caved in.
Hey, how you faring? Sweet mercy. Lord Almighty, Lord Almighty. No foolin'. Hey there, my darling. Scram! Glimpses of the March 2025 quake. Mandalay's lifesavers are grinding to free over 100 trapped in the rubble. What's he yammering about? Hell's bells, the stats scream this quake was a titan. Even jarring 5 public greens. 6 pop-up havens sprang up for displaced folks.
Reports indicate that the earthquake is one of the
It ranks as one of the fiercest to batter Myanmar and Thailand in living memory. Earthquake gurus are slicing apart the chaos to decode its ripple effects. Lifeline crews burn the midnight oil to unearth survivors under the debris across some of the worst ravaged zones. My mama. That's a lifeline artery pumping through the nation. As the ground stills, Myanmar and Thailand bear the scars of a merciless quake. Rescue crews dig on, shelters rise, and shattered communities cling to hope. This disaster echoes nature's untamed might, yet unveils human grit. Recovery looms long, but from the wreckage, resilience shines, a testament to survival against all odds.